Reliq Health Technologies ticker symbol RHT and US-OTC symbol RQHTF is a digital healthcare company with a market cap of $54 million and a penny stock trading above 30 cents. However, it is worth at least $5, and in the long run, it is easily worth $10 or more. To quench all your curious thoughts, tag along with us till the end. Hello, future billionaires, and welcome to Penny Stock Lifestyle. The channel where you get stock inspiration, motivation, and knowledge to become the next future billionaire. The management at RHT aims for a turnover of $100 million and a market capitalization of $1 billion. The business will become cash flow positive in the first quarter of 2021 and profitable in the second quarter. For those of you who aren't familiar with RHT, Relic Health Technologies is a fast-growing global telemedicine company that specializes in creating cutting-edge virtual care solutions for the multi-billion-dollar healthcare industry. Patient planning and community-based healthcare are supported by Relic's powerful IUGO care network. IUGO treatment enables complex patients to receive high-quality care at home, improving health outcomes, improving patient and family quality of life, and lowering healthcare costs. IUGO Care allows care teams to have real-time access to remote patient tracking data, allowing them to intervene quickly to avoid expensive hospital readmissions and ER visits. We find it interesting that a business can turn profitable in 5 months and trade at 30 cents. Many approach management with our concerns about the forecast figures, asking if their claims of $100 million in sales and a long-term goal of $1 billion in market cap and profitability in the second quarter were reasonable and achievable within the time frame. The management sounded upbeat and confident, responding to all questions with assurance and claiming that revenue prediction is simply due to the already signed contract. This means that if management is sincere and truthful, we're on the verge of discovering a gold mine, and a $1 billion market cap means the stock is worth 18 times more than it is now. This is the best time to purchase this penny stock. There's still some time left after all. The stock increased by 50% last Sunday. Relic Health Technology is used. The creation of mobile app applications for the community care sector is the focus of a healthcare technology business. It is entering the $100 billion plus virtual care chronic disease management market with telemedicine through the IUGO Health Technology platform. Chronic disease spending accounts for 80% of all healthcare spending, with a total annual expense of $2.9 trillion. Diabetes, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and other diseases account for 18% of the US GDP. Patients with these chronic diseases maintain their health at home, and about half of them take their medications exactly as prescribed. As a result, virtual treatment is ideally suited for them, and Relic Healthcare is aiming its product at the right market. Let's take a look at the Relic sales model and potential. The virtual care sector in the United States is worth more than $100 billion, with 37 million Medicare/Medicaid patients with 2 or more chronic diseases. Relic makes an average of $40 per patient per month in subscription fees. Through introducing IUGO Care, the additional IUGO Care generates new revenue of $315 per patient per month in payments from CMS. The business has forecasted sales of $100 million by 2024, based on the future demand. With gross margins of more than 75% and EBITDA margins of more than 45%, the organization plans to become cash flow positive in the first quarter of 2021, making 2021 a game-changing year. Relic Health also plans to become profitable in the second quarter of 2021, retain profitability, and apply for NASDAQ exchange listing in the United States. Growth forecasts in previous investor reports were identical to those in the current investor presentation. The only thing that has changed is the passage of time. So, what are the foundations for these forecasts, and why is this time different? They were unable to meet their objectives due to coding and eligibility issues. They do, however, have arrangements with each patient, as well as monthly recurring revenue. As a result, forecasting for this year is easy. They expect to grow their company, and that is what their predictions are for the future. The eligibility issues have only slowed their progress toward their goals. They will not discourage them from achieving them. They had a lot of problems when they first started out. Issues with billing codes in 2018, Medicaid pregnancy testing was different than in 2017, and both Medicaid and Medicare later reversed their coding decisions. They now have a bigger and stronger customer base that is better structured and easier to service. They can't wait to return to South Texas. When they were asked to justify how they expected to break even with $1.5 million in sales and $2.5 million in expenditures in the quarter ending September 30th, they said the cost of living has changed. Their annual burn rate is expected to be $6 million Canadian dollars. Do they think they'll need to collect more money? They do not need a raise to achieve cash flow profitability, but if a large contract or an institutional investor were to come along, they could consider it. Reliq Health has a large number of contracts, which leads me to believe that their management will be able to meet their sales and profitability targets on time. Please keep in mind that penny stocks are high-risk investments, and you should do your own research. No one is forcing you to buy or sell. This video is for informational purposes only. Home health agencies, adult medical daycares, specialist practices, skilled nursing facilities, and employer-sponsored health programs are also part of the company's operations in all 50 states, Australia, and Canada. Furthermore, the company has won several new contracts for a telemedicine solution to better serve their patients. And the company recently announced that it has launched IUGO Well in Australia and signed a deal with the University of Rotterdam, Australia to deploy IUGO Well to its students and staff in October 2020. The company revealed a month ago that it is onboarding 15 new clients in Texas and Puerto Rico to use its IUGO Care, Remote Patient Monitoring, RPM, Chronic Care Management, CCM Behavioral Health Integration, PHI, and Telemedicine Network. The business signed a strategic alliance with the IDOCS site on January 21, 2021, a leading telehealth provider with over 200 skilled nursing facilities in the United States. The organization has signed a new contract with a Maryland physician practice to provide remote patient monitoring with interactive voice recognition to a large Russian-speaking patient population on January 20, 2021. This week, onboarding began in Maryland. Later this year, the company plans to extend the IVR product offering into additional geographies that require a number of languages. The organization signed a new deal with a long-term care facility in North Texas on January 28, 2021, to provide IUGR homes to their patients. Next month, the client will go online, and the company plans to add 3,000 IUGR home patients in North Texas. This revenue stream for the organization has an estimated monthly revenue per patient of $30. Many of these patients will also use other IUGR treatment products, such as remote patient monitoring, chronic care management, transitional care management, and behavioral health integration, which generate an additional $40 per patient on average. A total of 8% of the shares are owned by management and other insiders. There are 158 million completely diluted shares outstanding on a total of 176 million. 6.7 million warrants with a strike price of $0.3 with a maturity date of November 2022. Between March 2022 and June 2024, 1.2 million warrants with a strike price of $0.165 will expire. The market capitalization of the company is $54 million. Relay Medical Corp, CSE, RELA, OTC, RYMDF, President Clark Kent addressed the company's diagnostics and AI health tech focus, which targets multi-billion-dollar opportunities in global healthcare markets, during a recent presentation at the Wall Street Reporter's Investors Discovery Day livestream. A video demonstration of the company's rapid testing and monitoring tool for infectious diseases like COVID-19 was a highlight of the presentation. The platform has also been used to test and track infectious disease outbreaks around the world, such as Ebola and malaria. Lisa Crossley, CEO of Relic Health Technologies, OTC, RQHTF, recently spoke at the Wall Street Reporter's Next Superstock livestream on how the company's IUGO telehealth remote patient management platform is poised for exponential revenue growth beginning in 2021. The powerful IUGO telemedicine platform from Reliq promotes care management and community-based virtual healthcare, allowing complex patients to access high-quality care at homes, enhancing health outcomes and lowering costs. IUGO Care allows care teams to have real-time access to remote patient tracking data, allowing them to intervene quickly to avoid expensive hospital readmissions and ER visits. Lisa outlines RQHTF's growth plan and roadmap to $100 million in sales by 2024, which, based on current peer group valuations, could give RQHTF a valuation of $1 billion or more. RQHTF has reached a tipping point with 3 major new contracts revealed in the last 30 days. It is currently trading around 30 cents, and we believe that now is the best time to buy because the risk-to-reward ratio favors the buyer, implying that the downside is small and the upside potential is high. That's all for today, pals! If you'd like to stay up to date with the best and latest content about stocks and entrepreneurship, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like on this video. Did you find this video valuable, or do you want to add anything? Make sure to let us know in the comment section down below. We are posting a new video every day with the most undervalued penny stocks in the market right now.